So in this video, we're going to differentiate y is equal to tan x squared minus 3. So we've got y is equal to tan x squared minus 3. Using the chain rule, so if we let u be equal to the bit in brackets here, which is x squared minus 3, and if we differentiate that, we're going to just get 2x. And then y is equal to tan u, because y will be equal to tan of x squared minus 3, but u is now x squared minus 3. If you differentiate tan, the standard result is dy by du is sec squared u. And then we can use in the chain rule, which says that dy by dx is dy by du times du by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is going to be equal to dy by du, which is sec squared u, times du by dx, which is 2x. If we now rewrite that as 2x, and then write the second bit is sec squared and replace the u with x squared minus 3, we get 2x sec squared x squared minus 3. So this has been a differentiation of tan of a function using the chain rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.